Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, guys. Okay. As requested previously, have you solved this question?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you. Anyone
Yes,
who
miss.
have not done? Okay, fine. Assuming everyone has done. Start and direct speech. Okay. Then quickly let's start solving. First one. It may rain this evening, said the mother. Begin, the mother said that.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, Devashri.
The mother said that it might rain today evening.
No, it might rain. This will change to that. Okay, it might rain that evening.
Okay, ma'am.
Second question. The teacher told the children not to play on the road. End with, said the teacher. So you have to change it into direct speech.
Ma'am, can I
Do
try?
not play on the road.
Do not play on the road. But to whom
Ma'am,
is
can I
she
try?
saying? To the children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So children, comma, do not play on the road. Close the inverted comma and then said the teacher. So within the quoted speech will come children, comma, do not play on the road. Okay. Third one. How cold the tea is, said Meera. May I warm it up? So begin with Meera exclaimed. I need everyone to try. How about Parth?
Miss, which one?
Third one. Asking the question which one makes me dream if you are attentive.
Shall I try?
Yeah, Darsh, go ahead.
Mira exclaimed, how cold the tea is, shall I warm it up?
Your voice is not very clear, Adarsh. Anyone else? Garima? Guys, you just have this term exam on grammar and unseen passage. The portion is so reduced for you. Please give your 100%. This is like a golden chance. You can achieve more marks.
Miss, can I try?
Yeah, Gauri.
Meera exclaimed that the tea is too cold. Shall I warm it up?
The tea is too cold. Shall I warm it up? Okay. The reporting verb is in past tense. So should I say is? Shouldn't I say that the tea was very cold and if she should warm it up? Or might, actually might is the correct word because it's may in the question. So
Okay, miss.
the correct answer is Meera exclaimed that the tea was very cold and if she might warm it up. Fourth, are there enough pencils left, Atul? Said Joe. So begin. Joe asked Atul. This is a very simple one. Nidhi,
Yes, ma'am. Joe asked Atul whether there were enough pencils left.
whether enough pencils were left. There were is not required. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Joe asked Atul if or whether enough pencils were left. Fifth question, how lovely your sari is, said the girl to her mother. Again, the girl told her mother that.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yeah, Devushri.
The little girl told her mother that her sari was very lovely.
Was very lovely. Perfect. Sixth one, the teacher said, let me have some tea.
Miss, may I try?
Yeah, Asim.
The teacher wished to have a tea. Have
See,
some tea.
whenever you're changing from direct to indirect, there has to be a word that. The teacher wished that.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yeah,
The teacher wished that she might have some tea.
perfect. The teacher wished that she might have some tea. See, guys, I have given you certain set of rules and certain words how they are supposed to be changed. I mean, everything is just given to you. If you can just follow that, every answer will be simple. If you don't follow that, if you don't look at them, if you don't understand them, trust me, these are simple questions which you won't be able to solve. Next one. Arun requested his sister to wait there till he returned. End with till I return. So,
Miss, can I try?
yes.
Arun asked his sister, inverted comma start, wait there till I return. Inverted comma end.
Okay. Arun asked or said to her sister, comma, inverted commas. There is a word requested. Okay. So,
Ma'am,
requested means he must have used the word please. Okay. Please wait here till I return. Arun said to her sister or requested her sister, comma, please wait here till I return. Eighth question. He wished that he might have some money. Begin, he said.
ma'am, can I?
Yeah, Devashri.
He said inverted comma and comma also. Let me have some money.
Let me or let you. He wished that she might have some money. He and she are two different people. So he said, let you have some money. Okay. He's wishing that she should have money and not he. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let you have some money. Ninth one, Aruna asked me whether I played cricket. Begin, Aruna said to me, yeah,
Miss,
Asin.
can I?
Aruna said me that do you play cricket?
Do you play cricket with a question mark? Very important.
Yes, miss.
Okay. 10th one, the teacher said to me, I have never seen such an intelligent boy like you. Begin, the teacher told me that.
Ma'am,
Miss,
can I?
can I?
Yeah, Parth.
The teacher told me that she never saw such an intelligent boy like me.
She had never seen,
Yes, miss.
okay, such an intelligent boy like me. Okay. I have never seen ki jagah pe she had never seen. Okay. Let's come to the grammar section quickly. Question 5A. Fill in each of the numbered blanks with the correct form of the verb. The number 0 blank is already given to you, which is in past tense, and hence you can assume the remaining would mostly be in past tense. The remaining would mostly be in past tense, not 100%. Please use that logic and solve the remaining blanks.
Ma'am, we have to also solve the fill in the blank.
Let's do one by one. No?
Okay, ma'am.
Miss, we have to solve A1 or B1.
A.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, miss.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. There have been several reports of large footprints in the Himalayan snow described as being of Yeti. The most famous of these were photographs of a long line of apparently fresh footprints
Taken.
Taken.
by Sri Lanka born mountaineer Eric Shipton and his colleague Michael Ward. The footprints they saw were 13 inches long and 8 inches wide. Those photographs
Had triggered.
Triggered.
triggered immense excitement.
Studied.
Okay, those photographs triggered immense excitement. Studied, were studied extensively and
Taken.
taken as strong evidence of the existence of the Yeti. Okay,
Had
and for the second blank, had triggered would also do. Okay, they also
Became.
became the genesis for many expeditions aimed solely at
search for.
search
Search.
for the Yeti, many of which
Returned.
returned with hairs, bones, and feces
Claiming.
claimed to be of the mythical creature. Okay.
Misclaiming will do.
Claiming, who's claiming? Many returned, it's in past tense, no? Okay, a person
miss.
alive can only be doing something in ing form, not someone who's not in existence.
Ma'am, what is the third one?
Third one, studied.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
You can also use, you can either use studied or you can also use were studied, because they are talking about the subject, those photographs, which is in plural. Okay, those photographs triggered or had triggered immense excitement. Okay, were studied extensively. Okay, third blankets were studied extensively. Okay, now let's move to the B part, that is filling the blanks. While giving the answers, also try and explain me the meaning of that phrasal verb.
Done, miss.
Everyone else? Okay, fine. B, fill in the blanks. First one, how shall I go dash solving the problem?
Miss, may I try?
Yeah, Parth.
How shall I go without solving the problem?
No, no, no. It's not like physically going somewhere.
For.
No. No one? How should I, sorry, how shall I go about solving the problem? That means how should I begin the problem, or how should I actually go through solving the problem? Getting through? Okay. Go
Yes,
about
ma'am.
means either to begin or to carry on that particular activity. Okay, it's not about physically going somewhere. Second, he takes dash his father in good looks.
Miss, can I?
Yeah.
He takes from his father in good looks.
He takes on his father in good looks. That means he resembles his father in good looks. Takes on. Also note in good looks. You also get blank over there many a times. Third, her age is beginning to tell dash her.
Miss, may I try?
Yeah,
Her age is beginning to tell about her.
about her. Fourth, I find it difficult to sympathize dash him.
Miss, can I?
Yeah,
I find it difficult to sympathize with him.
with him. Correct. Fifth one, how do you convert gallons dash liters?
Miss, can I?
Yeah,
Into.
into. Okay. Anyone with a different answer?
Miss 2.
2. How do you convert gallons to liters? Okay. Into is normally used where we find action happening, like true action. Okay.
Okay,
Sixth
Miss.
one, the massacre was a crime dash humanity.
Miss, may I
To
try?
humanity.
Yeah.
Of
To humanity is correct. It's a crime to humanity. It's a crime to humanity. Next, please call me dash as soon as you reach the restaurant. Can I have everyone else trying up rather than just copying up the answers?
Up.
Please call me up as soon as you reach the restaurant. Next, the salesman has to account dash the losses.
For.
Account for. That means he should be recording the losses. Okay. Coming to next question, that is question C. Join the sentences without using and, but, or so. And guys, anyone who wants to leave the class may first ask for the permission and then leave. Okay, because this trend has been observed by multiple teachers. Trust me, any single parents who come to the class complaining the child is not getting good marks, the child is not studying, we'll just throw the child out of the class. Today or tomorrow, someday the classes will start physically. I will literally throw that child out of the class. Okay, today you are going willingly, tomorrow it would be my will.
done, Miss.
Okay. Coming to see question. First one, I'm learning French. I got a scholarship in France.
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah.
Since I got a scholarship in France, I am learning French.
No, since I'm learning French, I got a scholarship in France. It should be that way. Okay, normally whenever you enroll for these multilingual languages, you learn that language and only then you get scholarship in that country. Okay. Second
Okay,
one,
ma'am.
Mona spoke very softly. I could
Miss,
not
can
hear.
you repeat the first answer?
Yeah. Since I'm learning French, I got scholarship in France with a comma after French.
Okay,
Excuse
Miss.
me. Ma'am,
Yeah. Mona spoke very softly.
Africa.
Yeah, Devashi, yes.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask a doubt.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, can't we write that as I got a scholarship in France, comma, I am learning French.
So I just told you, beta, that's how it is. See, it's like you study for 10th standard and only then you appear for your 10th standard exam. Na? Similarly, you start learning the language in your home country. Okay, that's how it is carried throughout the world. You learn that language in your country, and then only you apply for scholarship in those countries. You apply for that. Okay, and then you get it. Got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Yeah. That's the logic behind it. Otherwise, it would have been fine if it was not conducted that way. Second one, Mona spoke very softly. I could not hear her.
Miss Matra,
Yeah, Parth.
I could not hear Mona because she spoke very softly.
I could not hear Mona because she spoke very softly. Okay.
Can I try the
Yes.
second one again?
Yes. Shantanu, go ahead.
Mona spoke very softly. That's why I was not able to hear her.
That is why I was
Not able to hear
hear
her.
her. Okay. Okay. I'll give you a very simple
Miss, may I
translation.
try once again?
Yeah, tell me.
Though Mona spoke very softly, I was not able to hear her.
No, though is not the correct conjunction that you should be using. Okay. Though is used for contradiction. वो कम आवाज में बात कर रही है इसीलिए आपको आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. So there is no contradiction over here. Okay. So
Okay, miss.
very simple answer should be Mona spoke very की जगह पे I'll use so. Mona spoke so softly that I could not hear her. Okay. Very and so are always used interchangeably. Third one, the old woman was very selfish. She never helped her neighbors.
Miss, can I?
Hmm.
The old lady was so selfish that she never helped her neighbors.
Yeah, that is one answer. Alternatives?
The old woman who never helped her neighbors because she was very selfish.
Because she was very selfish. Okay. The old woman was selfish enough to not help her neighbors. Okay. That is another option you can go for. Okay. So, and that is a very common one. Okay. Which we also used for your second sentence. Coming to fourth one, Manoj is intelligent. I'm less intelligent.
Miss,
Miss,
may I?
may I
Yes,
try?
may I?
Yeah, Asin.
Manoj is more talented than me.
Manoj is more intelligent than me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. What about others?
Miss, same.
Same. Correct. Because there is comparison between two. So you should use comparative degree, which is more intelligent. Okay. Let's go to D question.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, dear.
Miss, in the second one, it is not given in which form we are.
Okay. Just a second. Huh? Beta, sorry. It should be used as soon as.
Okay,
Second one.
ma'am.
Okay, miss.
Done, miss.
Yes, Miss, done.
Okay, let's start. First one, walk carefully, otherwise you may slip and fall. Use lest.
Miss,
Miss,
can I?
Yeah, Dhanashri.
Walk caref- Walk carefully lest you may slip
You should slip and fall. Okay, walk carefully lest you should slip and fall. Lest is one criteria of your transformation of sentences, which many of you don't understand. So please, whenever you come across these sentences, mark them important and practice them, because they have occurred in your board exams. Okay, walk carefully lest you should slip and fall. Second, no sooner did the bell ring than the students rushed out of the hall. Use as soon as.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Devashri.
The students rushed out of the hall as soon as the bell rang.
As soon as the bell rang आना चाहिए.
Rang, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so as it actually no sooner is replaced by as soon as. Okay.
Yes, Miss, can we put as soon as first?
Yeah, ideally it should be that way. Okay, no sooner and as soon as are replaced by each other. So as soon as the bell rang, then the students rushed out of the hall. Okay. Third, he never takes up the work which he cannot complete. Begin, he always.
Miss, may I?
Yeah, Renuka.
He always takes up the work which he can complete.
Which he can complete. Perfect. He always takes up the work which he can complete. Next. Oh, what a beautiful scenery she has drawn. End with a beautiful scenery without exclamation.
Miss, may I?
Miss, can I?
Yes, Dhanashri.
She has drawn a beautiful scenery.
She has drawn a beautiful scenery. Okay. Fifth, how did you manage to finish the job? Use the word succeed. Manage will be replaced by succeed. No one?
Miss, I think you told the answer.
Miss, can I?
Yeah, so give me the answer. No, I just told you, but I did not give the answer like as such completely. Tell me.
How did you succeed to finish the job?
How did you succeed in finishing the job? Okay, not to finish the job. How did you succeed in? You succeed in something, okay? Not to. So the preposition will change after succeed. How did you succeed in finishing the job? With the question mark. Got it? So I just gave you the partial answer. Next, Karidasa was one of the greatest playwrights. Use as great as. So comparison.
Miss, may I try?
Yeah, Parth.
Kalidasa was as great as any other great playwright.
No. He was one
Miss,
of the
may I?
greatest. Yeah, Renuka.
No other, Miss, no one was as
Miss,
great as.
No other playwrights were as great as Kalidasa. Okay. No other playwrights were as great as Kalidasa. Okay. Was नहीं आएगा, were आएगा.
Yes, Miss.
Doubt किसी को? Okay, next. Do not use the mobile phone while driving, said the father to his son. Use forbade.
Miss May,
Yeah,
Yes, may
say the father forbade his son from using mobile phone while driving.
correct. The father forbade his son from using the mobile phone while driving. Next, you remembered to take your admit card. Use forget.
Miss May I?
Yeah,
You didn't forget to take your admit card.
you didn't forget to take your admit card. Correct. Okay, being done this, let's move to the unseen passage. Let's see how much we can do. Everyone is done solving that question?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Sophie was a socialist by conviction. She had very advanced views on the equal distribution of wealth among all people. She spoke eloquently against the evils of capitalism at drawing room meetings and weekly conferences. What is eloquently?
Frequently.
No, persuasively. So for example, तुमको अगर मम्मी को बनाना है कि मम्मी मुझे प्लीज पिकनिक पे भेज दो, and you are very good at making her agree to what you want. That means you speak eloquently. You can pursue someone to do what you want that person to do. Okay, so persuasive speaking, someone who can convince. Okay. One spring evening, Sophie sat between her mirror and her maid, undergoing the process of having her hair made up according to the prevailing fashion. The Duke of Syria had consented to come beneath her roof as a guest and would shortly be sitting at her dining table. As a good socialist means someone with good social skills, Sophie disapproved of social distinctions, but still, Duke of Syria was a special guest and was very welcome beneath her roof. The Duke was fond of the Byzantine omelette during his meal. Okay, actually, this word written over here is wrong. It is omelette. Okay, it's just a kind of omelette, just like your French toast, and you have different styles of making egg. So this is just one way of making egg called as Byzantine omelette during his meal. And Sophie had hired Gasper, the omelette specialist. Gasper is the name of the person or the chef who will make that omelette. Before Gasper became an omelette specialist, he was a valet, and he was one of the strike breakers in the
Excuse
great
me, miss.
strike. Yeah.
Miss, what is the meaning of valet?
Valet, if you go to restaurants, there are valets who always welcome you and park your cars. Got it? Valet parking hai kya? That is how you ask. Okay. So he was one of the strike breakers in the great strike at Lord Grimford's 2 years ago. As soon as the household staff of Sophie learned that she had engaged him, they resolved to down tools as a protest. What is down tools?
Miss, as they refused to work.
Yes, they refused to work. So it's kind of a strike that they went for. Okay, they resolved to down tools. That means they refused to work as a protest. They demanded that Gasper should be immediately dismissed. This is too awful, said Sophie. A strike of servants at a moment with the Duke of Syria staying in the house. Quick, she said to her maid, finish my hair and I'll go and see what I can do to bring them round. I can't finish your hair, madam, said the maid quietly. I belong to the union and I can't do anything till the strike is settled. I'm sorry to be disobliging. Disobliging means being disrespectful or being or not taking your orders. But this is inhumane, exclaimed Sophie tragically. I have always been a moral mistress. Mistress means the madam who hires, or maybe a lady boss, you can call her. And I have refused to employ any but union servants. And this is the result. I can't finish my hair myself. I don't know how to. What am I to do? It's wicked. Wicked is the word, said the maid. I believe in capitalist principles. Yeah,
Miss, can you scroll down? We can't see.
I'm so sorry. Okay. Wicked is the word, said the maid. I believe in capitalist principles and I have no patience with this socialist foolery. But I have my living to make, same as other people, and I have got to belong to the union. I couldn't touch another hairpin without a strike permit, even if you were to double my wages. Have they all struck? Sophie asked her maid. Not the kitchen staff, she said. They belong to a different union. Dinner at least will be assured, said Sophie. That is something to be thankful for. Then Sophie said to her maid, go and tell the strike committee that Gasper is here with dismissed. Now he's removed from the job. And ask Gasper to see me presently in the library where I will pay him what is due to him. 2 hours later, Sophie guided her guest towards her dining room. Towards her dining room. She talked at random to her royal guest and was looking towards the great doors through which would presently come the announcement that dinner was served. The doors opened suddenly and the butler entered the room. Butler is a person who serves the food. Okay. There is no dinner, madam, he said gravely. Gravely means with a lot of sadness in his heart. The kitchen staff have downed tools. Gasper belongs to the union of cooks and kitchen employees, and as soon as they heard of his dismissal, they struck work. They demanded his instant reinstatement. Reinstatement means getting him back to the job, and an apology
Miss,
to the
please
union.
scroll down.
Yeah, sorry. And an apology to the union. It was a sad experience for Sophie. Okay, once again, just go through the passage, any word or phrase that you would want to ask before we start solving the answers. Okay, let me know when I have to scroll.
Done, miss.
Okay, so the next assignment for you guys now is, since we have done with the reading of the passage, and I'm assuming that you know the meaning and the whole essence of this paragraph, Okay, so please try and solve these questions before the next lecture. I hope I have shared the worksheet with you guys. Have I?
Miss, let me check.
Yeah, please check.
No, miss, you haven't shared.
Okay, I'll do it right away. Okay, so please try and solve. If not solve, at least try and find the answers. के कौन से question का answer, कौन से paragraph में है, कौन से line में. At least mark it up. Okay, and then we can frame the answers during the lecture. But at least find it up. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Chalo. Then I'll just end the lecture and share the worksheet immediately on the group. Okay. Chalo. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, miss.
Ma'am, thank you.
Bye bye.